Supply consisting of more than one component. This article addresses situations where a single transaction includes more than one component, which may involve goods, services, or a combination of both. The purpose of this article is to ensure that businesses and taxpayers understand how VAT applies when a composite or bundled supply is provided for a single price. 1. Understanding composite supplies. In some commercial transactions, the supplier provides multiple components as part of a single supply, where the components cannot be easily separated for pricing or VAT purposes. B. These components could include a combination of goods and services provided together, multiple goods supplied in a single package, several services bundled into a single offering. C. The entire package is sold for one combined price, rather than individual prices for each component. 2 examples of composite supplies. Example 1. Goods and services combined. Sale of a mobile phone with a warranty service included in the price. Both the phone, a good, and the warranty, a service, are supplied for one price. B. Example 2. Mixed goods. A gift basket containing multiple types of products, example, food items, cosmetics, and household goods, sold for a single price. See example 3. Bundled services. A hotel package that includes accommodation, meals, and airport transfers, all provided for one price. 3. Role of the executive regulation. This article delegates authority to the executive regulation of the decree law to define the specific rules and conditions for handling such composite or mixed supplies. B. The executive regulation will specify how to determine whether a supply is composite, inseparable and supplied for one price. Apply VAT to the total price of the combined supply. Clarify whether each component must be separately taxed, or whether the whole supply is treated as a single taxable supply with one VAT treatment. C. The executive regulation also provides special guidance for cases where different components would normally attract different VAT rates, for example, a bundle with standard rated goods and exempt services. 4. Why this classification matters. Correct classification of composite supplies ensures proper VAT reporting, accurate calculation of VAT liability, avoidance of disputes with the Federal Tax Authority, FTA. B. Incorrect treatment could result in underpayment or overpayment of VAT, errors in VAT returns, potential audits and penalties from the FTA. 5. Business responsibilities. Businesses that offer bundled products or services should ensure they understand the executive regulations conditions for composite supplies. Maintain proper records that explain the components and pricing of each bundle. Apply VAT in line with the rules provided in the executive regulation. B. This is particularly relevant for sectors such as retail, offering product bundles, hospitality, providing all-inclusive packages, telecommunications, selling devices with prepaid service plans. For more details, contact us.